we're losing the outpost right now. We are taking it. Pretty sure they're not coming, so yeah, we got everyone here. And I'll be yeah, so this is kind of the start to the episode. Yeah. I will see you guys when we're closer to that.
Oh my god, that's not Drifter.
It isn't? Oh.
Oh, see freaking whatever on. He's
What?
take him.
He's getting ganked right now. Who the heck comes in and fights him?
Oh, you used some raid strikes.
Oh! What the heck just went off? Something just went off mine. Yo, fire's just going crazy, let's be honest. Dude, did they kill him? Yeah, they killed him. Hello.
Hi guys. Wait, where? Oh, it's.
Dude, that was. Oh no.
Voltec.
Look in near.
There's a Voltec.
Yeah, there's a Voltec. I gotta bank this. Me and V2 and soccer will cap. Yup, cause I wanna fight, you know.
Crazy.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there's another guy here too.
Dude, let's let JT cap, cause he's in. You know. Are you fighting him right now? Fighting him?
They didn't jump yet. Oh, there's three of them here. There's three of them here.
Where are they from?
Oh god.
They're the thing of the people that we took it from. Oh, we're not gonna cap this.
I'm dead.
Should I go help?
No, stay there. Oh, I died.
I'm the one that.
What?
Who is going? I'm the one that has to stay here. Oh crap.
I'm coming back. I died.
Come in.
I got ripped.
Do you need more kit here? I have Drifter. I have like a Drifter. I can't do PVs here, so. So, alright guys, we just kind of lost the outpost, you know. So, I'm pretty sure. Just lost it. Well, I think we're gonna lose it, but you know. So, yeah. I don't know what to do. That was kind of PvP for this episode, but now I'm gonna do like kind of. After this, I'm gonna show you our Blaze Grinder once it's all done. And so, yeah, I will see you guys in a second.
Retreat, retreat.
Retreat. Hey. Wait, how far did y'all push him back? Oh my gosh, bring him back over here. Dude, that's too far. Y'all turn on nature?
I'm getting natured.
I forgot pearls, you know, I set it right. You know, right now I'm just about a pearl.
I died.
You're stupid. I need
I'm coming back naked. I'm coming back.
Don't you dare natures again, people. I need my potions.
Nature's so OP. I trade Alex Nature too for a Beacon set.
Oh, good super. Now you won't die. Don't go too close. You know? You need a
Alex, retreat. I'll save you.
Retreat.
Alex, I got you.
Retreat. Wait, who is
go,
this?
Go, let's go.
Who is this?
Man, you want to fight me? Oh, I hit him.
Dead man.
Let's go on.
Ah, you suck. You scrub. You could have like taken all of them on, but you know you just a scrub.
I was challenging them all.
Yeah. I'm just going. I don't even think the arrows working. Oh, that's trash. Wait, does the fire actually go out in the rain?
Come on, Alex. I'm bringing my best gear in. I'm bringing my best gear in.
Yo, who is that getting comboed?
Alex, here's my best gear.
Oh, I hit him off of you. You lucky duckling.
Alex, here, I have my best gear.
Dude, blow up all of it. Just blow up our derp. I dare to blow up our derp.
Oh my god, they have freaking my gear right there.
Tactical.
They're hiding my derp. My derp, not my derp. My gear.
Oh, what? That didn't hit him. That totally hit. Oh, you just got killed. Just kidding.
Guys, this is for reals. This is for reals.
You're rocketing safe? Okay, you know you're dodging arrows and that's not okay for me. Okay. Alright.
Should we get our choices in this?
Dude,
You are?
What? Yo, to
Oh,
the derp, to the derp, to the
Mr.
derp.
Chief. I don't like you, Mr. Chief. I just don't like
I'm getting natured in the derp. This is
you. You're
bad.
so
If I die, it's okay.
wait, F? Wait, no,
What
wait.
the heck? People
I'm so
people
good at this.
go
F?
over this. Are people stupid?
No, wait, I almost got it. F space C space F. No, how do you do truth chat mode? I can't forget it.
Yup.
F space C space C. No,
Um,
that's public.
dude, are they still up there? Cause I just.
F space what, Alex?
Oh my god.
F? Wait, F space T
What do you do?
space.
Scrap.
You don't. Alex doesn't even know. Just say the word.
Oh my gosh. Yo, you.
He's in.
Someone jumped in our derp. Are you? He's stupid. Actually, I think he pre-pulled.
I hit him in.
Yo.
Awesome.
Is he
Yeah.
in here? Is he in? Is he in?
No,
He's not in.
he's in the dirt, but
Is he? I closed the thing. Should I open him? Dude, he's not in our derp. I think you pre-pulled.
oh, he's still in.
Dude, hit him down. What are you doing?
He thinks I'm trying to.
Oh, wait, are we in the? Are you in Weekster?
Does he help?
Dude, I can't. I'm pretty sure they're up there, and it's gonna take 7 seconds just to get up there.
Oh, he's in combat right now.
Okay,
Wait, are you in Weekster?
No, I'm in Alley.
where are you? Someone just jumped in our derp. Oh, they're pretty much pre-proing, I'm pretty sure. Keep them in combat.
Oh, I almost got hit in. Can you pro then, Yossi?
What? No. Oh, they hit me down. Oh my gosh, they actually hit me down. I could just keep having. We might just want to retreat.
No, but they're gonna blow up our dirt.
No, like if they do, we just go back. Cause like we don't. You can't get trapped in there, cause it's not good if you get trapped in there.
Oh, God, I killed another guy.
Alright guys, without further time that you've been waiting for, and the reason you probably clicked on this video is now here. The reason kind of that I am in myself, so you guys do not see. Also need to change my skin. Here you can see my feet, and you can kind of see my skin. But are you ready? I mean, it's not really that great, but it's still okay, I'm guessing to say. But you know, here it is, guys. If you ever want something to kind of build off, here you go, guys. Boom. It's kind of okay. It's not as pumping, you just know. Oh, and by the way, I have a glitch with my computer where I can't see chest, and yeah, it's great. So this is the co-owner box. This will be for me, Baller, me, and Fire Skills, the owner. And I made these signs. They're beautiful. Okay, and here's our AFK goes run the whole thing. And there's just these. Here gonna be for the whole faction. Here it says made by Fire Skills and Yazzie, helper Anthony. So boom, credits all given, and as you can't see, Chester here. So now we're going to the co-owner part of this tour, into our box, which no one else is allowed but us three. Is boom here. I didn't do this touch. It's not great. But we have about 30 blazes in there right now. And yeah, as you can see, chests not appearing. But I swear there's chests right there. It says right there. So yeah, boom, blazes, and she's almost filled up this one. So yeah, I'm planning on I want to grind all night. Let's be honest, but alright, what's my ballot? I mean, I could buy that. What's the IGs? Let's go sell some iron. I'm pretty sure this will be the end of the video. I know it's probably like a really short one. It's probably like 8 minutes. But I'm um, Yo, guys, we just got this on AH for 350k. If you want it there, 350k. I bought this. This is going on the sword right now. Bam. Let's just go test it out. Yup, let's go, guys. I can, you know. So I guess see you guys in the opening or something else, but yeah. Basically opening. Yo guys, I'm so sorry about that noise, but I was editing my old video. Or not my old video, but the video before this. That's how you know YouTubers struggle in their life. Just kidding. We don't struggle. But we like make before we edit, if you mean. Like, you probably don't know what I mean. So yeah. Frick. Here in Sohand. In easy 73k. Back up. There, almost to 2 million now. Let's go. It's almost time for that CI. Yep, this is a ton. And this is almost full, so I'm just gonna go. Boom. We're gonna go CI a bunch. Hold up. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I just kept all that. Yep. Alright. I swear to God, something is so wrong with my computer, but I'm not about to go like. Something's wrong with my computer, so. Wait, are you seriously? Are you freaking kidding me? Slash CI, please. I could do it without you asking me. Freaking, oh my gosh. Okay, they're my tools. So yeah, I'm trying to do some grinding tonight. Let's see. No. Yeah, I know I spelled everything wrong. I don't really care. Okay, so guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sub and like that video for more content from me and PvP, I guess. So peace out, guys.
I said the banana with the banana bounce back. Wake up in the morning with the banana goes back. You said it's real and I hit it bounce back. I'm getting checks. I was like, but the banana bounce back. Wake up every morning with the banana bounce back. You said it's real when I hit it bounce back. Oh, yeah, from the zero when I get the check and bounce back.
Wait. You know I'm recording this, right?
Are you really?
Yeah.